Bring your maintenance to the next level with LOCTITE Pulse Smart Solutions, empowering you to oversee critical assets 24/7, boosting your equipment uptime and sustainability. Our sensors continuously capture data and share insights on equipment health status, maintenance needs, and more. From static equipment to rotating equipment, now you can call all of them smart. LOCTITE Pulse Smart Rotating Equipment is fully wireless, battery-powered and approved for hazardous areas. Just stick it on and the Pulse system will start listening to 6 critical parameters, allowing you to gain valuable machine health insights for smarter decisions. Leveraging 70+ years of LOCTITE industrial expertise for efficient fixes and enhanced reliability. LOCTITE Pulse. Listen to your equipment's heartbeat.